Hi guys, today I want to share a Photoshop technique which is to create reflection of an image from scratch. The reflection effect will be really realistic, so here we go. The first thing I want to do is to choose a photo. The photo can be anything, but if you want to make it very realistic, you should choose a photo like this with an object in a distance to make it more realistic. So here I will create a reflection of this part down beneath it. Okay, so first select this part. I use Control or Command J to copy this part into a new layer. I will name it reflection. And then you can go to Edit, Transform, and Flip Vertical. Now this part is down here. Okay, and then because you want to put it down, let's just hide it. You want to put it down over here. You need to replace this part. You can actually move this canvas larger by using the crop tool. Just drag it down a bit, make the reflection a bit larger, and hit OK. Don't worry about the black thing. Okay, and then go to the reflection here and just drag it down. Okay, to the point, over here probably. Yep. To the point where it feels like this should be the reflection of this thing. Okay. Okay, now this is a basic reflection. There's one thing I want to do to make sure that nothing is outside this reflection. Just use the magic wand tool. I'll just hide this part for now. Use the magic wand tool to select the blank part, and then use Command Shift I to select the opposite, and then use the mask tool to create a mask. Now you can see this mask is constraining what you will see in this layer. Okay, and then go back to the background. This is the basic reflection you want to create for now. Now you can go Command S to save this file, castle reflection. Okay, save this, and then go to File and Save As. Now you want a new file. This one should be the displacement map, so I will call it displacement, and still Photoshop format. Save. Okay, and then you can open this file and the displacement file. This is the original one, this is the displacement one. The displacement one, delete the background first and create a new layer, color it with white. Okay, and then what you want to do is go to filter, noise, add noise, add lots of noise over here. Okay, hit OK, and then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, use a 2 point pixel radius to blur it, hit OK again, and go back to filter, go to channel, choose the red channel, and go to filter, stylize and emboss, and here you can use 180 degree, 1 pixel high, and 500 for the amount. Hit OK. For the grain, same thing. For the stylize emboss, just change the angle to -90. Okay, and then the last one, blue, select everything, use Shift Delete to fill this one with black. Okay, go back to the RGB. Now this is what you see. Okay, what you want to do then is go back to the layers again, choose this one, use Control T to change it so that it fits this thing over here. And then what you want to do is to go edit, transform, perspective, because you want to make it like a perspective image. Drag the point below it. You want to make it very exaggerated because you're standing somewhere. Okay, just try to see. If you feel like this look like a water effect, that would be great. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, and Command D. If you doesn't like this, you can select this whole layer, Command J, create a new layer, and then exaggerate the effect by changing the width to, let's say, now it's 100, 400. Now you can see this is more like a water rippling effect, or maybe 300. Yeah, let's have a try first. Okay, so try 300 first and call it displacement. Okay, and then hide everything else, save this file. Okay, now I have a displacement file. Go back to the original file and then choose the reflection, unlink the mask and this image because you want to do something with the image, not the mask. And then choose the image, go to filter, distort, and displace. For the scale of it, well, you can try different parameters. I will try 25 and 50 for it. I use the tiles because you already give a dimension to it. And for this one, repeat edge pixels and hit OK. And then just choose this file, the displacement one, and open. Now you can see it actually applies what's over here. Can see it, like how it look like over here. Apply everything over here. This is the reflection with the displacement effect. It makes it look more realistic. But if you want to be more realistic, what you can do is to create some other effects. Let's say this is the water, right? Water has some colors other than the color shown here. So I will create a new layer. This is called, well, actually I will create a folder. This folder is called reflection, and reflection will be constrained by this. Okay, constrained by this this mask over here, and drag everything to this. So now nothing is outside of this reflection. For this layer, I will call it the base color. Base color is for the water. So I will use, let's try some color. I will try a very dark blue for now. Just color it like this is the color of the water. Then I want to choose the reflection, create a mask over here, and then use the gradient tool. Just use 20% opacity, black color. Just try to remove some of these things over here. So I'll do just, just try to make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, and then now when you have a look of this look more like a real water reflection. You can always add more things to it, such as the color filters or other things, but just try to use the displacement map over here. As you can see, you can create a very watery effect for the reflection. Yeah, So that's basically it. Thank you for watching.